Hi guys, today we are going to solve LeetCode question number 2900, which is longest unequal adjacent group subsequence 1. Okay, so the description here says that you are given a string array words and a binary array groups, both of length n, where words of I is associated with groups of I. Your task is to select the longest alternating subsequences from words. A subsequence of words is alternating if for any two consecutive strings in the sequence, their corresponding elements in the binary array groups differ. Essentially, you are to choose strings such that the adjacent elements have non-matching corresponding bits in the group's array. Formally, you need to find the longest subsequence of an array of indices denoted as such that groups of ij is not equal to groups of ij plus 1 for each, and then find the words corresponding to these indices. And then we have to return the selected subsequences. If there are multiple answers, return any of them. And the notice, the elements in words are distinct. Okay. So as per the given example, the input words array contains the elements E, A, B, and with their corresponding elements in the group array being 0, 0, 1. So we need to check all the elements in the group's array, and we need to pick up all those elements that are having corresponding adjacent alternating values. Like for example, there are 0, 0, 1. So we can either choose 0 from index 0 or 0 from index 1 and the alternating element which is 1 from the index 2. So the options here will be either EB or AB, and we can return any of them. So the output here is given as EB. So the solution approach would be very simple in this one. Like we only have to use an array list where we can store all the words, and we need to iterate through the group's array, and we have to check if the element is not equal to the previous element, and if not, we need to add it to the resultant array list, and then at the end we have to return the array list. So now let's move to the code. Okay, so for the solution approach, firstly we will create an array list that will store the resultant words from the words array, and we will store it in the array list named as res, which will be the resultant array list. And then we will have a variable previous that will initially contain the value -1, and it will be changed to the 0 and 1 according to the element in the groups array. Now we will iterate through the groups array from 0 to groups of length value, and then we will check if the value of previous is not equals to groups of I. If not, then we will store the value of arrays of I or the groups of or the words of I to the resultant array, and we will change the value of previous to the value at groups at index I, and at last we will return the resultant array. Okay, so now we will run this code, and it beats all the test cases, and now we will submit it. And it means 96% solution. So if you have any query, you can connect with me on LinkedIn or either comment on this video below. Thank you.